Hello, children. Welcome to our conversation part. The same topic, parts of the body on the arms and legs. So this is our structure. We have the clap your hands, right? And the answer will be, look, I clap my hands. Okay, so go over again. When I say clap your hands, you're going to clap your hands and say, look, I clap my hands. Okay, look at the picture now. Then let's have the practice. So here, Teacher Imelda is going to say, stomp your feet. And you're going to follow Pinocchio. You say, look, I stomp my feet. Tamluway na ka. One more time. Stomp your feet. And you're going to do, stomp your feet and say, look, I stomp my feet. And here is another one. I say, nod your head. And you do it like the girl, Puying. And you say, look, I nod my head. All right? Say, let's do it again. I will say, nod your head. And nod your head and say, look, I nod my head. And here, you now see the right hand, right? And Teacher Imelda will say, raise your right hand. And you will say, look, I raise my right hand. Again, Teacher Imelda will say, raise your right hand. And you are going to raise your right hand and say, look, I raise my right hand. Now, get ready. Teacher Imelda will say, stomp your feet. And students will say, look, I stomp my feet. Say it again. Look, I stomp my feet. Raise your right hand. Can you do it? Raise your right hand. And that is, say it. Look, I raise my right hand. Right hand. Say it again. Look, I raise my right hand. Now, nod your head. Nod means, okay, now you say it. Look, I nod my head. Okay. Bend your knees. Bend your knees. And you have to follow her, right? And you say, look, I bend my knees. Say it again. Look, I bend my knees. How about this? Raise your right hand. Raise your right hand. Do it now. And say, look, I raise my right hand. One more time. Look, I raise my right hand. Bend your knees. Bend your knees. Now, what are you going to say? Look, I bend my knees. Say it again. Look, I bend my knees. Now we have a corner here and we call it RamReel Curriculum Corner. This you're going to see what are your other friends at the other schools are learning. The same grade 2 or Pasong. So you have here structure 1. What time is it? What time is it? So you have here the Thai word, right? And you're going to say, it is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So you have the translation here. Or you can also answer, it's noon. Last week, I taught you what does noon mean, right? Or you can also answer 3, it's midnight. So when the question is, what time is it? Here, the answer number 1 can be, it is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And so here is your Thai translation. Or you can also say, answer 2, it's noon. Or you can also have answer number 3, it's midnight. So there are many ways to answer what time is it. All right. If you say, teacher, I don't understand, you will understand because you have the helping words here. All right. And if you cannot read, you can play this video again and listen. How did teacher Imelda read the words, and you can follow. Okay? Well, I hope you learned something today from teacher. Thank you for being good and thank you for learning with me today. See you soon.